Intermediate 17. The psychology of flow and optimal experience. Have you ever been so engrossed in an activity that you lost all track of time and self-consciousness? Psychologists refer to this state as flow, a term coined by Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi. Flow is an optimal state of consciousness where we feel our best and perform our best. It occurs when there is a perfect balance between the challenge of a task and the skill level of the individual. If the task is too easy, we become bored. If it's too difficult, we experience anxiety. But when the challenge is just right, we enter a zone of complete immersion and focused attention. During a flow state, the ego falls away and time flies. Every action, movement, and thought follows inevitably from the previous one, much like playing jazz. This experience is not only highly productive, but also deeply intrinsically rewarding. Research shows that people who frequently experience flow in their work or hobbies report higher levels of long-term happiness and satisfaction. To cultivate more flow in our lives, it's essential to set clear goals, eliminate distractions, and choose activities that provide immediate feedback. By intentionally seeking out optimal experiences, we can transform even mundane tasks into sources of joy and personal growth.